Now let's take Webhook functionality. Go to the Xero, log in with your account, click on contact menu or contacts, select one contact and update. Here you can see add last name here. Also update email address, save. Now go to the Xero configuration again, refresh. Here you can see in a contact, one contact import automatically. Select contact and manually import. Now go to the contact application, search with customer name. Here you can see add last name, also update email address as well. Now again go to the Xero, click on sales, invoice and create new invoice. Click new invoice button. Select customer, add item, click on save and close. Now again go to the Xero configuration, go to the queue menu, invoice. You can see here one invoice imported successfully via Webhook. Here you can see select and click on manual import. Wait for some time. Here you can see invoice import successfully. Now go to the invoice application. Here you can see invoice imported successfully via Webhook. Now again go to the Xero configuration, now we have already checked Webhook functionality for contact and invoice. Now let's check credit note functionality. Go to the Xero, one credit note open and update it, like add attachment file, save. Now go to the Xero, click on credit note menu. Here you can see credit note imported. Select and click on manual import. Now go to the credit note. Here you can see one attachment imported successfully. Okay, that's set for Webhook functionality. Thank you for watching.